enam so ema eye Goil Ghana for de eye hospital mpa biese dunum akopie mu ewo Bongo district omude ema eye ayaresafo a wo mo ho no ma wo mu nyampa ena so se wo munje se ne be ya obi yare na wo ba ho betumi nyampa adaso.
Ghana Goil PLC akoya doye ediama Fio Chips compound ye no ewo Bongo mansini no emu ewo tifi epoye mantem no emu na doye okoye enu nyina no eye se wakoche womo eye empa makomako edunum a enu ne betimi aboa ma ya asabia ho no dwumade ebetimi akonenim na agya ne naso na afenso yarefo ba beje arehwe no betimi anya baabi na wodi wonti ato. Managing Director Edima Goil ekyerese nyinam so ma womkoye sa doye nyina no eye se ona wodi wondwuma yaresabia ho no mudi tudwa wo kyerese empa ayarefo weda so nya de se bi ho no ne sa sunti enenam so ma womkoye womo adoya akwache womo empa makomako edunum a eno ne betimi aboa ma wondwumade wa yaresabia ho no no ebetimi akonenim enenam so ema kanemra shebedwani Edima dehia womo ewo Bongo mansini no emu yonimonyamfo Edward Abambi Ribawa ede ensem sei eto kantanka kwansem eni.
When I became the CEO of Goil, they appealed to us saying that look, now they had a maternity ward, but they didn't even have beds. Saying that if a woman were to come into the hospital to give birth and they need to detain the woman, they definitely are not able to do it. So they appealed to Goil, and Goil PLC as part of our corporate social responsibility. And if you look at our corporate social responsibility, we concentrate mainly on education and health, and of course water. And so on the basis of that, Goil then decided to get them 15 beds to be able to use in the clinic. So basically, that's exactly what we've done. But I've realized that they have made some appeal. That one, this is still a chips compound. They want to move it into a health center. And therefore, if we could help in doing that. What we are trying to do now is that I will have a conversation with the necessary authorities to see how we can get that sorted.